Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials: the business EIN, exact legal name, and the tax years you need. Once you have that, decide whether you'll use IRS online services or submit a paper request. Online is faster. Paper needs a signed Form 4560 or 4506. Make sure the person requesting is an authorized signer. If not, complete a Form 2848 for a representative. Do this now so identity verification won't block the request later. Next, log into the IRS transcript system using the business account credentials and verify identity using multi-factor checks. Once in, choose the transcript type. An account transcript shows payments and balances. A return transcript summarizes filed returns. If you can't access online, fill and sign Form 4560, specifying the EIN and tax periods, and mail or fax it per IRS instructions. Make sure mailing address and signature match IRS records to avoid rejection. Finally, retrieve the transcript. If you used online delivery, download the PDF right away. If you used mail, expect a window and track any confirmation. Once you have the document, review EIN, tax years, and amounts, then share with your lender, accountant, or file as needed. If it doesn't arrive or details are wrong, verify that the signer was authorized, that names and addresses matched IRS records, and then resubmit or file a Form 2848 to appoint a representative. This often clears authorization holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.